AB welded threads nicely. At a price of only $20 is this HHIP thread repair kit. It's designed specifically for an 8mm fastener with a 1.25 thread pitch. The kit does not come with instructions, but it does come with everything needed to make a repair except for a drill, twist drill bit, 8mm tap, the tool used to install the thread repair insert, and a punch which is used to remove the little metal tab. The kit comes with 25 repair inserts. HHIP is made in China. The first step is to drill out the damaged threads using the twist drill that came with the HHIP kit. Step 2 is to use the tap that came with the kit to cut the new threads for the insert. Step 3 is to use the insert tool to drive the thread repair kit insert into the test piece. Now that the insert's in place, we need to use the punch in order to break off the metal tab on the insert. Okay, the repair is finished and the bolt is fitting nicely. At longer than the control, it takes between 300 and 350 inch-pounds of torque to cause the aluminum threads to strip out, and the bolt on the second test piece broke at 507 inch-pounds. And a third test piece did nearly as well as the second at 500 inch-pounds. So the HHIP thread insert actually provided a stronger set of threads than the original aluminum threads. Let's test. So all 4 thread repair kits that use metal inserts, the Easy Lock, HHIP, Timesert, and Helical proved to be stronger than the bolt. JB Weld Original averaged 206 inch-pounds before the threads let go. Test piece. Testing HHIP. And the repaired threads are refusing to let go. At 1000 psi, the bolt is stretching and finally let go. As you can see, the HHIP outheld the bolt. On a second test piece, the bolt began stretching at 950 psi before it finally let loose. On a third test piece, the bolt began stretching at 1050 psi, so the HHIP thread repair outlasted the bolt 3 out of 3 times. Even after the bolt breaking in the test piece, the thread repair still looks to be in great shape. Testing Helical. Just like the